Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm just at the beach after a snowstorm, and yep, the beach is basically snowed over. You can tell that there's no water there that you can see. It's just snow. It's just snow. I'm in my car actually right now, parked there. I might go out there and get a better look, but the path to the beach area where I usually walk along is actually blocked off by snow. So that's why I'm not out there yet. But I'm gonna get ready to head on out there, I think. So, at least for a few minutes, and get a better look. And get my gloves on and all that. So anyway, I'm at the beach after a snowstorm. The snowstorm was actually a couple days ago, but the snow is all here still because it's been below freezing. And now today's the first day that it's actually above freezing temperature. And tonight it's gonna snow some more, but only a little bit, I think, only for a couple hours. And it might stick, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. They did warn us that the morning commute to work tomorrow morning will probably be slippery because of the snow. More snow tonight. I think it's going to snow in about like 2-3 hours. But I won't be here then. More snow coming. The East Coast just has snow and snow and snow. So anyway, I thought I'd share this with you while I'm out here. Documented, and in case any of you want to see what it looks like here in Rhode Island on the East Coast. I'm gonna go out there and get more. Hang on a second, let me get this phone off. Okay, there we go. Hello. Okay. Sorry. Trying to get everything together to go. Okay. Hopefully you can see that better. Somebody's here walking their dog. Look at that. I wonder if I can go that way. There we go. So I'm at the beach, East Coast, USA, in Rhode Island. I'm stepping in a lot of snow at the beach. There's a snowstorm here a couple days ago, and it's still here because it's been below freezing temperature here for the past couple days. There's lots of snow on the ground. The beach is snowed over. Oh wait, there's some moving water there. Huh, yep. So there's a little moving water there that got out from under, but most of it seems to be just snow. And there's more coming tonight. I'm out here today because it's finally above freezing temperature, although barely, like 8 degrees above freezing temperature. And I wanted to show this to you. I'm going to share this with you, and it's actually pretty even though it's so cold. I love nature. Pretty nice view even though it's cold. Hope the video's okay and the audio's okay. I'm gonna try to step down here. Ooh, my shoes are covered in snow. Yeah, there's the melted part at the beach. More snow coming tonight. About 2-3 hours of it. I think it's supposed to rain a little too, so I don't know. The weather people, they say it's probably going to stick to the ground and not melt, so the morning commute tomorrow is going to be slippery. But it shouldn't be that bad though. I mean, this was probably the worst of it for a while. And that's something. It's actually pretty, I think. I like nature and things like that, even though it's so cold. So if you have any questions, just ask. Ask me anything. I'll try to answer the best I can. Feel free to follow me. I come out here a few times a week, depending on the weather. As long as it's not dangerous, I'll be out here. That's the seawall. Can you see okay? The video and audio okay? Ooh. Chunks and chunks of snow on the floor. Isn't that something? It's kind of slippery here. Kind of slippery here. So where's everyone from? Where are you watching from? And how's your day going? Feel free to ask me anything. I'll try the best I can to answer. For those of you just joining, this is the Rhode Island beach, covered in snow on the East Coast, USA. A couple of days ago, we had a huge storm along the East Coast. You probably heard of it, and yeah, this is the beach. It's all covered in snow. Barely a small portion of it is melted, and the rest of it is just covered. And we have more coming tonight. In about 3 hours, it's going to snow some more. Thank you, thank you. Where are you from? It is beautiful. I like it, even though it's cold. It's the first day, and in 2 days that it's been above freezing temperature here. It's about 6 degrees above freezing. So I'm out here for a few minutes, and I thought I'd share this with you. Russia. Wow, is it cold there too? Russia. I would imagine it is cold there. So this is the East Coast, USA. In Rhode Island. We're about an hour south of Boston. And that's past Boston, Massachusetts. case you don't know exactly where that's at, Boston's a popular town. Oh, okay. Well, it's not as cold here as it has been the past 2 days, but the longer you stay outside, the more it feels cold. So, but it is pretty. I admit that. It's pretty. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Feel free to follow me. I'll be out here again. In the near future, this is usually what I scope a few times a week. Yep. That's the snow. I'm stepping on the snow. I'm stepping on the snow. It's a little slushy and slippery here. There's chunks of snow there. I imagine there's a lot of sand where the snow is now. Oh, look. I wonder if I can get to the bottom of the sand. Yeah, there's the sand. See? It's just a thin coat of snow. It's slushy. And there's the melted area, the melted portion. Try to get that focus, hopefully you can see it. Can you hear and see me okay? The sun's on the clouds. This is actually quite a bit better temperature-wise than a couple days ago. I mean, even yesterday, I think I was out here. Not here, but I was out doing errands, and whew, I was outside for probably 5 seconds before my hands started to go numb. Whoa, almost slipped there. And it was just that bad. And yes, I had gloves on, but it was still just that cold. Now I'm able to at least tolerate it for a while. So, hope you like what you see. It's pretty nice. It's a nice view. Yeah, there's people that believe it's not the weather changing, but yes, I think you're right. I believe so. I believe the weather is changing. Whether you want to call it global warming or something else, this really is not normal. I mean, snow is normal, but yeah. Anyway, we'll go into politics here. But that's a pretty nice view. Hope you like what you see. Is the video okay? Let me know. Let me know if the video's okay. That's pretty, huh? Sun kind of in the clouds, the coloring. Yeah. The partially melted beach area here. And snow, snow, snow. For as long as the eye can see. Not bad. Almost a postcard. Well, probably not. I think it has to be a lot prettier to be a postcard, but it's still not bad. So for those of you just joining, this is Rhode Island, East Coast, USA, the beach. And I'm just out here showing you the view. Looks like someone else is trying to get a picture too. Yep, someone else is trying to get a view, take in the moment, get a picture or video. It's cold. It's cold, but it's not as bad as it was a couple days ago. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand in my pocket here, because it's chilly. And anyway, there was a snowstorm here a couple days ago, which you probably heard about. It was a storm up and down the coast of the USA, on the east coast here, and yeah, this is the remains of it. This is the after effect of it, and we're getting more snow in a couple hours, getting more snow and rain, and then it's gonna probably freeze a little, and then the roads are gonna be slippery tomorrow morning. But it shouldn't be as bad as this. I think it's only gonna be for a couple hours. That's what they say anyway. That's what the weather people say. I think she got her picture, or she or he. She's going back in the car. Time to go. Wow, look at that view. That's pretty nice. That's a pretty nice view. If you like what you see, tap the hearts, and if you like what you see, feel free to follow me. I'm out here, at least a couple times a week, unless it's weather's too dangerous or too cold. Oh, there's a seagull there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway. Snow, chunks of snow on the beach, and melted snow. Chunks and chunks of snow on the beach. Can't even see the water. This is where the beach is. This is where the water comes in. This is where the water was, where the ocean meets the beach, and it's just snow. Wow. See? I'm stepping in snow. There's the sand. Underneath the snow. So how's everybody doing today? Where'd you from? Wanna give a shout out? Whoa! I slipped there. But I'm okay. Wanna give a shout out to wherever you're from? There's other people enjoying the view, but they're not quite nuts enough to walk on a beach like I am. They're not quite that nuts. This is pretty cool. Nature's pretty cool. Oh man. Sun's hiding more now. The color is a little more faded. All right. Oh. How's everyone doing? Let me know where you're from if you like what you see. Hang on a second, I'm putting my glove on. Okay. Got it on. really windy all of a sudden. It's pretty. It's a nice view here. Very nice view. I like the view. So for those of you just joining, this is Rhode Island, about an hour south of Boston, Massachusetts, East Coast, USA. We had a snowstorm a couple days ago, and this is the after effects of it. The beach water is, the ocean water is gone. It's all snowed over here, you can see. Except for this part's melted a little bit, so you can see there is water sloshing around there. Other than that, the rest of it is snowed and covered up in snow. And I'm on the beach walking in the snow. And I'm just gonna see chunks of snow on the beach. Chunks of snow on the beach. My shoes. I'm stepping on the snow in the beach. Where sand used to be. Alright. Anybody have any questions? Or anything? I think I'm gonna head on in and head on back to my car and get warm a little bit. Because it's only 6 degrees above freezing right now, and I've been out here for like 20 minutes, so it's pretty chilly. So I'm probably gonna head back into my car for a while. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go back out or not, but maybe if I get warm enough, I might. Maybe if I get warm enough and you want this view again, I might. But yeah, I'm actually standing on the beach, walking along the beach that's covered in snow from the storm that hit, snowstorm that hit a couple days ago. And ouch! It's actually going to snow here in a couple more hours too, but only for 2-3 hours today, I think. So it's not as bad. Not as bad as a couple days ago. At least that's what the weather people say. Like, I feel like I'm almost knee deep in snow here. Good thing I have my winter boots on. Wow. Okay. Heading back to my car to get warm. Oof. Oh, Lord. Alright, I can't feel my fingers, but that'll change soon, in a couple of minutes. Alright, I'm gonna put the phone on the mount. There we go. There you go. There's a view of the beach that I was just walking along for 20 minutes or so. back in my car, and I'm trying to get a little warm before I decide whether or not I'm going to go back out again. Wow. Oh, my nose, red. Oh, wow. Hands. Hands are numb. It's cold. Oh. Trying to warm them up. Get the heat going a little bit. That'll probably help. There we go. Whew. Chilly. So anyway, for those of you just joining here, I'm on the beach, at the parking lot in East Coast, USA in Rhode Island, and I was walking along the beach for about 20 minutes or so, showing the view. It was pretty. It's pretty. And went back to my car because my hands started getting frostnip and going numb. So decided to come back to the car and warm up a bit. But here, you probably want to do the beach. There you go. So I hope you like what you see, and feel free to follow me. I'm out here, 2-3 times a week, depending on the weather and so forth. We're supposed to get more snow tonight, and in about an hour and a half, actually, we're supposed to get more snow. But it won't be as much, so it should be all right by tomorrow. They'll have the roads cleaned and all that. And I'll be out here again, but I haven't actually been out here after it snowed like this before, so it's pretty interesting for me too. Usually I've been inside and indoors and not at the beach after such a snowstorm, so I haven't seen the beach and the ocean snowed over like this. Like 3 days ago or so, it was frozen over. It was clear, but there wasn't snow on it, and now there's snow, which is pretty cool. It's pretty. I like it. It's a pretty view, I think. So yeah, I'm just getting warmed up in the car here. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you want to follow me, feel free to follow me. If you want to let me know where you're from, that'd be good. Whew. Okay, my feeling's back in my hands now. I'm gonna put my gloves back on and go out and get ending shots. So I might do that. Putting my gloves on before I go out again. It's the cold. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back out for ending shots. Hi, this is the East Coast USA, Rhode Island beach covered in snow. I'm getting out of my car. Pretty. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back in my car again. Okay. Alright, I'm probably gonna head out pretty soon. Thank you for joining me. Turn my car on. Get it warmed up a little. Whew, okay. So, I'm gonna head on out and hope you like what you saw. It's pretty out here. And, oh gosh. Nose is all red. And I will see you soon. Thanks for joining, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.